Alright YouTube, we're back working on the F350. I'm just drilling out these old rivets that were for that cross brace for the midship fuel tank. I'm going to be removing those. So I'll walk you through some of the steps here I'm doing. First, basically I just want to make an X cut into the top of the rivet. This is going to help center the drill bit. I'm trying to cut almost down to where the head meets the top of the frame. Alright, one quick note here, be sure to wear basic gloves and glasses when you're doing this type of work. I'm a jackass and forgot to wear my gloves. I did have glasses on, but make sure you are wearing your safety equipment when doing this type of shit. Alright, so now that I have an X marked on the top of the rivet head, I'm going to start drilling it out using a 7/16 drill bit. Once I have that drilled down past where the rivet meets the top of the frame, I'm going to switch over to a 3/8 drill bit, or possibly a 1/2 inch, and continue drilling that out. And also use some good penetrating oil or cutting oil when you're doing that. Okay, now that the rivet is drilled, you can take either a heavy punch or an awl and a 5 or 8 pound sledgehammer and start bashing that lip off the rivet. It's going to take some effort to do that, but as you can see, just if you keep working on it, it will break off, and if it doesn't, just drill it out just a little bit more and then keep trying to break off that head of the rivet.
Go. Out.
Alright guys, if this video helped you out, make sure you click the thumbs up button and also be sure to subscribe for more.